What is up YouTube? Johnny B here again today, and we're going to be bringing you another video on the Fiesta ST. It's getting there. We got the whole rear end repaired, so the car is now drivable. I went to go take it to the salvage inspection, so now ADOT confirmed that the car is safe for road use, so we don't have any issues with that, and now we can just go ahead and mod it as much as we want. So, since you guys already know, we already did the first mod, which was the Boomba blow-off valve spacer. So technically this is gonna be our second mod, which is gonna be a catch can. It's something that we know that is very, very necessary for when you're gonna be running big boost, because that's just a safer way to run. We don't want any of the oil going into the engine and, you know, causing weird detonations. So without further ado, let me show you guys the kit that we got. So here it is laid out for you guys. Here is the full kit. We have the actual catch can here. We have some of the hardware, the mounting bracket that we're gonna be using, and the hoses. This has a one-way valve, and it also has very nice connectors. They're like factory connectors, which are gonna be replacing the ones that we're gonna remove right now. So the kit is basically plug in and play. And then this is just gonna be kind of like a drain hose, just when we do decide to drain that, it'll go out where it needs to go and it won't get the engine bay more dirty than it should be. So let's go ahead and get started. All right guys, we are done installing the catch can. That was a relatively simple process. Obviously, we got a full kit that was just gonna go ahead and clip on and fit everything perfectly. Already came with the added brackets that we needed, so that was really cool. It was simple. It was like a 10 to 15 minute job. Obviously, if you know what you were doing, it would be a lot faster. But even with us not really knowing and just looking at the instructions, it was a simple job. And the cool thing about it is that it's like visible, like you can see the hoses on the engine bay, and it just gives it like a little extra nice look. If you didn't want them to be visible, they do sell them in black or blue. So we got the red one just because that's gonna be a lot of the theme with the Fiesta, a lot of the red stuff. We just want it to kind of stand out, so in case we do end up going to a show or something, you can pop the engine and everything's visible. The filter stands out to it. It just looks overall cool just having it there. And it's also gonna be something that's actually functional. It's not just for looks, obviously. So that's why that's installed there. So definitely a very nice mod. I would say first, but obviously the blow-off valve was first. So a very nice mod to do in case you do have a Fiesta ST and you plan on pushing it a little harder than normal. So that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, you guys have a great day.